Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to connect a PostgreSQL data source with Bold Data Hub using the extract option in Bold BI. You will learn how to connect, configure, extract, edit, and refresh your dataset in Bold Data Hub. Bold BI allows you to easily connect to multiple data sources to visualize and analyze their data by using interactive dashboards. You can connect data sources in live or extract mode. In live mode, data is fetched directly from the source in real time, while in extract mode, data is fetched from the source periodically and stored in an intermediate database. When refreshed, additional data will be extracted in the next iteration based on the refresh settings. Let's get started. Go to your dashboard server homepage. You can connect a data source in two ways. The first way is to connect from the design page by clicking the Data Sources option. Create New, choosing PostgreSQL in the connection panel, and then configuring the connection. The second way is to click Data Sources in the left navigation panel of the dashboard server homepage to open the Data Sources page. Click Create My First Data Source. Choose PostgreSQL, and then provide the data source name, server name, port, username, and password in the connection fields. To connect by using SSH, enable the SSH option and enter the necessary credentials. For this demo, I will skip it. Then, select Extract Mode. The extract fields will update automatically. In the extract engine, I select Data Hub. The extract engine helps retrieve data from a data source or data warehouse. In this demo, it comes from a PostgreSQL server. Currently, the server supports a maximum of 50,000 rows per extraction. You can modify it as needed within the range. The remaining records with no limit will be updated during the data refresh. Next, I provide the database name. After that, I can set the command timeout. The default is 300 seconds, and you can modify it as needed, but for this demo, I leave it at the default value. You can schedule your data to refresh automatically by clicking Refresh Settings and configuring them as per your needs. To do this, I click Refresh Settings. In the window that opens, I can customize the recurrence type, start, and end dates. Also, you can enable failure notification to the data source owner, other applications, and external users. Note that the application schedule will automatically deactivate after 5 consecutive failures, and you will have to enable it again manually. After making changes, click Schedule to schedule the data refresh. Next, you can add an optional connection parameter to specify your needs. I leave this alone for this demo. Lastly, if you want to modify the connection string of data sources, enable dynamic connection strings. I make no changes. On clicking Connect, the Extract Data dialog opens. It has two modes of connection, Table and Custom Query. In the Custom Query option, you have to write a query. Preview it, and by clicking the Connect button, the data will be extracted. In the Table option, which I will use, a list of tables and views is displayed in a tree view. You can select the required tables by selecting the checkboxes. Once the table is selected, you can enable the Incremental Refresh option for updating new or modified data values for the selected items. If you're going to use this option, ensure your table has a primary key and a timestamp column. Note that Bold BI will do a full load when you refresh your data. I click Public and then Tables and choose Sales Data. Then I click Connect to extract the selected table. I am directed to the Data Query View page. I drag and drop the table from the left panel into the Design area. I preview the data. If I need to make changes to the schedule, I will click Refresh Settings. Update the details and then click Schedule. To view the Data Hub pipeline, click View Pipeline. You can update as needed, then save. To save and exit the page, click Save and Exit. To cancel the data source creation, click Cancel. To save and navigate to the dashboard, click Continue to Dashboard. I click it and am taken to the design page. Here you can see that the data source has been successfully connected by using Bold Data Hub. Now, I can begin creating stunning visualizations from the connected data source by adding a widget and assigning data to it. If you want to update and load all the data from the database in the data source page, click the Refresh Data option for the created data source. In this video, I've shown you how to connect a PostgreSQL data source with Bold Data Hub using the Extract option in Bold BI. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.